This is District Selection Committee, West KHASI Hill District, answer key. Exam which held on 29 November 2025, Nongstoin. Pila aban comment kan no few marks, but kumno tharai pila aban poisha ka personal interview ne kumno. Te klam depan slam tung ini page no ini kijingkeli, but ke chupa. Which state is known as the fruit bowl of India? Kanye kade answer kade number B, Himachal Pradesh. The longest river in South India is Godavari. Number B. The Indian Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. The first organic state in India with 100% organic farming implemented by 2016 is Sikkim. Who was the first man to go on space? First man to go on space is Yuri from Russia. First man to go on the moon is Neil Armstrong. What is the total area of Meghalaya? It is 22429. Number B. Which among the following is an ally of Mir Qasim in the Battle of Buxar? In the Battle of Buxar, they didn't sound Shah Alam to Siraj Dala, but didn't sarngut. This is Shah Alam too. Who is the current president of India? This is easy question. Kanyang try la brokhan. Draupadi Murmu. Who is the national tiger of national animal of India? This is tiger. Which planet is known as the red planet? This is Mars. Who wrote the national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. Meghalaya share an international border with which country? Meghalaya ka don border international tang but Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh. Which festival is known as Festival of Light? Festival of Light Hakapor Diwali. Kisah buon hakijing penpernai kisarok kilenti takadaw Diwali. Which global sporting tournament did India win in 2025 winning title? ICC Cricket World Cup. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. Which is the largest river in India? This is Ganga. India celebrates National Mathematics Day on 22nd December on whose birthday? This is Aryabhatta. We solve the value of pi. What is the traditional Meitei martial art that includes swordplay, spear technique, and unarmed combat? This is Tang Ta. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? This is easy question. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. India's only ape species locally known as Huro found in Meghalaya is this is Halokkipan. Which country had an absolute monarch before 1857? This is none of these because France in 1792 has abolished monarchy and India has ruled directly by the British Crown before 1857. So, neither. Which is the largest state in India by area? This is Rajasthan. The southernmost point of Indian territory is Indira Point, located at Andaman and Nicobar Island. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? This is Kanchenjunga. Which Indian state is known as the land of five rivers? Land of five rivers is Punjab. In which state is the Sun Temple of Konark located? This is Odisha. Which is the longest highway in India? This is National 44, started from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Who won the 2018 Pulitzer Prize for music? This is Kendrick Lamar for his song Damn. Which country is known as the land of festival? This is absolutely India, because so many festivals in India. Name the commission in which has submitted its report of Muzaffarnagar riot. This is Sahai Commission. In which year Napoleon Bonaparte crowned himself as the Emperor of France? This is 1804. What is the easternmost longitude of India? This is 97,252 east at Arunachal Pradesh. Which one of the following lakes is a saltwater lake? This is Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan. So please comment how many of you has and subscribe the channel. Which is the coldest place in India? This is Dras, Kabupaten Hapok, Kargil district. Assam is the home to the largest and smallest river in the world. The largest is Murli, while the smallest is Umananda. Who invented the telephone? This is easy question. Alexander Graham Bell. The longest bone in human body is femur. Tawang Monastery, one of the largest monasteries in India, is located in which northeastern state of India? This is Arunachal Pradesh. Where are the headquarters of International Organization for Standard ISO located? This is Geneva, Switzerland. Who is Yoga Berry? Yoga Berry is a baseball player of American who died in 2015. What is the scientific name of clear-eyed leopard? This is Neophelis nebulosa. Who wrote the book Jawaharlal Nehru, The Thinking Dynamo? This is our honorable former MP P.R. Kandia. Which part of Indian experience the highest range of temperature in a day? This is Thar Desert. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? This is Jawaharlal Nehru. The hardest substance of Earth is diamond. The chemical formula of salt is NaCl, sodium chloride. Who discovered sea route to India? This is Vasco da Gama. The movement launched by Gandhi at the session of All India Congress in 1940 was Quit India Movement. The first Battle of Panipat was fought in 1526 between Babar and Ibrahim Lodi. So thank you all of you. Please share with your family and friends, and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.